Hi, I'm Roxana. Today we are going to smudge. I have been lucky enough to find this minimal smoke incense, and this is a stick of sage, and we're going to light it to help us release our heaviness. Sage is awesome and recommended by many North American indigenous cultures as a way of releasing the heaviness from our bodies, the heaviness from a room, the heaviness from your car. Anywhere you walk in and you feel heaviness, you can use sage. You can use an incense stick with minimal smoke. These incense sticks don't set off the smoke alarm, so that's part of the reason I like using them inside. I light this incense with divine love. Breathe, breathe deeply. Feel the warmth of the smoke, the warmth of the sage. Breathe. So every inhale is bringing in the healing power of the sage, and every exhale is releasing your heaviness. So allowing the sage to clear the heaviness from your head, from your crown and third eye, allowing the sage to release what no longer serves you, to release and let go the harsh words, any critical words. Allow your throat to open and your throat to flow. Release the heaviness from your shoulders, the heaviness from your shoulders. We as a species, as human beings, have felt the need to carry a heaviness, to carry other people's heaviness, to carry our own heaviness, to feel that if we don't carry a weight, if we don't struggle, that life is not, we're not living life properly. So let go of the baggage, let go of the heaviness on your shoulders. Let go of the heaviness around your throat and your shoulders and your upper chest. Feel your upper chest becoming lighter. Wiggle and move. Wiggle and move your shoulders as needed. Wiggle and move, releasing and letting go. Feeling the heaviness release from your heart. Feeling the heaviness shift away from your heart. Feeling the heaviness release from your solar plexus, your sense of being, your stomach, your abdomen, your core. Every inhale brings in the smell of sage with its healing power. And every exhale releases the heaviness that you have carried, that you've thought you've needed to carry. Allowing the sage to open your reproductive structures, your sacral chakra, your hips, your urinary system. Allow the smoke, the sage, to heal you, to open you. Now allowing the sage to reach the tip of your tailbone and to release any heaviness from your legs, any heaviness preventing you from moving forward. Feeling you release and let go, relax and let go, feeling it all shift and let go as you need it to, as you want it to, feeling it all drain away. Wiggle your shoulders, your arms, rub your arms if you need to, if that helps. Rub your legs, your thighs, whatever part of your leg you can reach. Rub and release. Feel the sage reaching out energetically to you. Feel the sage, the little flame. Focus on the little flame if that helps. Focus on the smoke rising from that little red glowing ember. Feeling it rise, feeling it shift, feeling it move. Remembering every inhale, you're breathing in healing power. Every exhale, you're letting go of what no longer serves, all that heaviness. It's time for us as humanity to feel lighter, to release our anger, our fear, our resentments, our judgments. I'm actually making this video on December 31st, 2020. And let's smudge off this year. Allow the sage to remove the heaviness of this year. All the fear that's been manifested in us as a species. It's time to let it go. All the anger at others for what they choose to do. Release it and let it go. Letting it go, letting it go, letting it go. Feeling that heaviness drain from your body. All the heaviness. All the heaviness in me. All the heaviness in you. All the heaviness in everyone you care about. All the heaviness in all of humanity. It is beyond time. It is the perfect time for each one of us to watch this video, to stare into the flame, the ember of the sage, to feel the sage waking us up, shifting us, clearing us, moving us, allowing us to leave the heaviness behind, all the heaviness that gets left behind in 2020. And even if you watch this in 2021, know that this still takes effect, that you can send this release back in time. Release the heaviness, letting go of what no longer serves you, letting go. I've actually worked with some people who have been able to smell the sage over the energetic distance between us. So imagine, use your intuition, your third eye, your inner knowing. Smell the sage. Feel the heavy energy releasing and letting go. And look, watch this ember. Watch the streams of smoke. Watch and look and release and let go. It is time. Feel a lightness in your throat, in your voice, in your shoulders. Feel a new lightness in your heart, in your upper chest. Feel a new lightness in your abdomen, in your core, in your solar plexus. Feel this difference. Feel a new lightness in your sacral chakra, in your hips. Feel them being able to move forward with more ease. Also feel a newness at your tailbone, and your tailbone running down your feet into the earth. Ground yourself into this earth through your feet. Ground yourself and let go of the static. Let go of this constant barrage that we have been bombarded with, and feel into your beautiful body in this moment. Allow the sage to help you feel into your beautiful body in this moment, and ground through your tailbone, through your hips, your thighs, your knees, your shins, your calves, your ankles, your heels, and your feet. Ground into this moment and allow the sage to sweetly whisper a new way of being into your heart. So from my heart to your heart, from this piece of sage to all of your energetic field, allowing 2021 to open on a new note.